Cancel PickU Pro subscription. Want to cancel the PickU Pro subscription? No worries. Here's how you can do it quickly on your phone. Find out where you subscribed. PickU Pro subscription are managed through your App Store or Google Play Store. Open Google Play Store. Tap on your profile icon. Tap Payment and Subscription. Tap Subscription. Find the PickU in the list and tap it. And cancel subscription and follow the prompt. Confirm and you are done. It will unsubscribe the Premium Pro. Once cancelled, your subscription will remain active until the end of current billing cycle. No surprises. And that's it. You have cancelled PickU Pro like a pro. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more simple ad tutorials. See you in the next one.